Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new, if you are a returning subscriber, hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this very pretty Barbie pink cut crease with a little glitter. So if you are interested in seeing how this look was created, just keep on watching. Alright, so for today's look, I'm going to be taking the James Charles Morphe palette. I've already concealed my lid with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12. And I placed a little tape, you know, because I want it to be very sharp. Because I'm going to be doing a cut crease. And the first shade I'm going to be taking for this cut crease is going to be Love That. And I am going to take that on my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to tap because I want it to be really pigmented, so I'm going to tap rather than blend out, or you get what I'm saying. Alright, so start from my inner corner and I'm going to tap it out to the shape that I want. So taking my Morphe M506, I'm going to take the shade Skip, which is that hot pink color in that palette. And I'm going to place that above where I just placed Love That. And starting off, I am going to tap it out rather than, blend first, just because I want it to be pigmented. And I'm gonna go back into Love That. I'm not the only one with that problem, like one eye is always better than the other. Going back into Skip. And I'm going to blend it out. I'm gonna take my my Morphe M507, and I'm gonna go into the shade Pinkity Drinkity, just to kind of lighten it up a little more. Now I'm going to cut my crease, taking the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1. Alright, so I'm gonna go back into Pinkity Drinky and just place that all over the lid. I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and my Morphe 167, and I'm going to place it just along where I would normally put eyeliner. I'm going to be using these two glitters by Fluttered by Row. I don't remember the name, so I'll place them down in the description box below. Alright, so for my lower lash line, I'm going to take Love That first. skip and blend that out. I'm gonna take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and place it on my lower waterline. Then I'm gonna take this little liner brush from Real Techniques and I'm gonna use Skip to go over the top of that. I'm going to pop on my lash real quick. These are the Le Flare lashes, and this is in the style SD24K. They were like $3.99 in my beauty supply. Never heard of this brand, but I was like, might as well give them a try. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face off camera. I just threw on a little Ruby Kisses clear gloss. I also used Twilight from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlights. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I mean, if you made it this far, then you already know that we are family.
Hey, Auntie.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.